Hi everyone! For those who are new here, I'm Maurice and I've been in the financial industry for over 15 years now. And throughout my career and entrepreneurship, I've learned invaluable lessons about budgeting and saving money. And I'm excited to share my expertise with you today. And throughout my career and entrepreneurship journey, I have had the privilege of guiding numerous wealthy people to financial success. And along the way, I've learned invaluable lessons about budgeting and saving money. And I'm thrilled to share my expertise with you today. So, in this video, we are diving into the 7 steps to budgeting and saving money on a low income. And you will learn practical strategies and mindset shifts to help you make the most out of your finances, regardless of your income level. So, here's the plan. I will walk you through each step, sharing 7 things that have personally worked for me in my journey towards financial stability. And by the end of this video, you will have a clear roadmap to take control of your finances and start building a brighter financial future. So let's get started. So, how to budget and save money on a low income? Even if you have a low income, you still can and should make a plan for your money. It's all about working with what you have. And a budget helps you to do just that by telling your money where to go each month. But how exactly do you create a budget when you don't make a ton of money? So, step one is to dive into your finances, even if you don't like it and you are hiding for maybe years from now. And I had the same feeling years ago, and I didn't want to look in the black hole because it gave me an anxious feeling because I had to look into the mirror. And everyone has to start somewhere, right? But when you are doing this and you take a deep dive, you will be comfortable and much faster out of your debt. Okay, ready? Let's jump in. All right, then we have step two. List your income. Every budget starts with your income, no matter how much you make, right? Because you can know how much you are able to spend for the month if you don't know how much is coming in, right? So start by listing out all your sources of income. Basically, this means any way you get paid each month. Step 3. List your expenses. And this is really important. You have to make it light. Make it like playing a game. You should make it fun when you are doing this. Because once you have got your total amount, your total monthly income figured out, your next step is to plan for all your monthly expenses. This is when you will use your bank account to get a better idea of your spending every month. Then, first, you want to list out your most important expenses that you always have to pay each month. Write down how much you need for your rent or your mortgage, as well as your average for bills like electricity and water. What do you usually spend on food, for example, each month? And what about your gas? Then the second thing is to plan out the not needed expenses. How much do you spend on, for example, entertainment? And how many target runs do you usually make for household products each month? At this point, you are just trying to get an idea of what you typically spend each month. And we will do some adjusting in a minute. But first, let's dive into step 4. Subtract your expenses from your income. Because there are a lot of budgeting methods out there. But I think the zero based budgeting is the best to start with. When you subtract your expenses from your income, it should equal zero. It might sound like you are spending all your money in one month, but it really just means every dollar you are making should have a job to go inside your budget. Whether it's giving, saving, spending, or paying off debt. So, step 5. Prioritize paying off high interest credit cards and debts before investing. And let's be sure, this step is crucial for two main reasons. First is high interest debts can quickly spiral out of control, draining your finances. So this one is really important. Secondly, eliminating debt frees up more money for saving and investing in the long run, setting you on a stronger financial foundation. So, step 6 is trim your monthly costs and minimize unnecessary expenses. It's crucial, it's really crucial because cutting down on unnecessary spending frees up funds for more important financial goals such as saving for emergencies or investing in your future. Then step 7, make saving a priority each month, but more important, make it fun again. This is a really important part. So before you start, and even if it seems challenging to save money from this point, view it as a fun opportunity for financial growth. If your expenses exceed your income, it's time to get creative and find ways to increase your income or reduce your expenses. What you can do can make a big difference because you can look for small or big money saving strategies or side hustles to boost your saving potential. The most important thing here is to enjoy the process of saving money like a game where you are able to win something. For example, my girlfriend and I have turned collecting cans in our area into a fun money saving game. We collect cans out of the environment and use the money we earn to fund our extra vacations. And this not only makes saving enjoyable and fun, but also allows us to see how much we can accumulate together while contributing to environmental cleanup efforts. And it's a win-win situation that adds purpose and excitement to our savings journey. And it also starts to make a difference in the way you think about money and the negative side of it, and your anxious feeling, for example, you have around money. So share in the comments what kind of money game you can come up with to save extra money, and let's inspire all the people on the planet to save some extra money and have fun with it. This will be fun, so take care and hope to see you in the next video.